as y'all can see, my car is right in the background, and we got Bwright right here. So I'll go ahead and let Bwright, go ahead and let you introduce yourself.
My name is Bwright, owner of Bwright Detail Service. What we did to this vehicle, we brought it in, we deconned it, clayed it, did a full paint correction, came back with a full PPF, full front and top of the vehicle. Then after we did that, we came back and put one of our top graded level 3 ceramic coating packages on top of it to have it for great protection. So you know this BMW M3 Competition Edition is one of the top vehicles that's on the market right now. So what we did was able to put the ceramic over top of the PPF to have it for great protection.
All right, B, so why would anyone want to ceramic and PPF their car?
The benefit of putting PPF on a vehicle is to protect it from rock chips, debris off the road, and as far as ceramic, keep the vehicle stay cleaner longer, and the hydrophobics of the vehicle. That's a great thing to have any new or used vehicle, PPF and ceramic over top of the PPF.
So, all right, B, so if you do something like this to your car, how long can you typically expect it to last?
The PPF will last between 5 to 10 years, depending on the way you take care of your vehicle. Ceramics normally last between 3 to 5 years, depending on how you take care of your vehicle. You know, there's other ceramics out there, but the 2 top ceramics that I use, you know, it's great on paint and great for PPF.
All right, B, so what if for some reason a rock happens to hit the front end of my car? What will be my next steps to get that issue rectified?
First of all, you're gonna make sure it didn't penetrate through the PPF. If it didn't penetrate through the PPF, it did its job. And what you would do is bring the vehicle back in, remove that piece of PPF, and add another piece on the vehicle. There you go again, you're back to a clean install and a clean looking vehicle with no rock chips or anything that damage your paint.
All right, B, so thank you for all this great information you provided today. So if someone was interested in getting in contact with you, how would someone get in contact with you and your services?
You can reach us at bwrightdetail.com or 704-879-6098. We also on Instagram and Facebook.
All right, sounds good. Well, everyone, I'll be linking all this information down below. So if y'all want to get in contact with them, definitely can hit the links down below or just follow the information he just gave you. All right, everyone, so y'all seen the car. I got a couple B-roll shots, got some other little small cinematic shots, and the car looks good, man. Special shout out and thanks again to Bwright and his team for getting the car PPF and ceramic. Car looks good, feels good. I'm just glad and super happy. The next step of the process is going to be treating the interior and also ceramic in the wheels, all right? So if y'all want to see that content, please stay tuned. Please hit that like, subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I post the videos. And I'm going to holler at you guys later, all right? Peace.